We're on Telegram here, and we're going to do a week review of what happened during the week. Uh, Early in the morning, Neil was up pretty early, 5 hours ahead of us. He's living in the UK, and he'll start posting. That gives me an advantage of what happened prior to the American market. Now, uh, here he pointed out a 7 down fractal, this growth fractal, okay, and he put the parameters there. And then as we continue here, okay, uh, we have a 7 down on the 5 minute fractal frame. And as we continue here, he found a 30M growth fractal right here, and he's waiting for local information. Okay, very typical. And he wants a little tick here, and he got it. Okay. Again, he got bottom tick there, and it began to grow. The growth fractal is growing. And as we go along, look what happened. The growth fractal kept going. So if you're day trading, all you have to do, find that growth fractal or decaying fractal. They'll set the parameters for you. Now, again, we don't know how it's going to go. We have to look at the other time frames. Okay, there was a little throwdown here. That's okay, but the growth fractal continued to go up. That was an excellent call. Okay, Neil again. He has the black charts. I have the white. He has a 15M at the top, and here's the bottom update on the 30M top. Look what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He got the bottom tick there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, look, it kind of touched the channel. That's okay. You can adjust your stop. And then Neil found a 15M top. Pretty darn close there. He got that. Again, we have a 1 minute time frame trade there. Again, for day traders, if you're scalping. And we got a big one here on the 5 minute time frame. A typical decaying fractal top, very common. You get the top there, you have the bottom there. And I think we did that trade. And there's that decaying fractal there. Look what happened. I think I did post the setup there. Exactly. Again, Neil came in on what, 7 down, bounce up. Here's a typical reverse fractal growing. Then it decided to decay and use your entry point here. I'll put entry points. Look what happened from here to here. It broke the channel right down. Broke the channel, more decay. Neil pointed out a 15M bottom. But again, that's at the open. It's kind of risky. We have a daily slider. Uh, Dow could have topped out here. I don't know for a day or a week, but again, we're pretty bearish on it. Okay, there's your 7 down fractal, keeps decaying. And then he's scanning for a bottom on a 15M chart. And we have a 1 minute slider for day traders. And here I gave you a video on fractal timing, how to do it. Step 1, step 2, step 3. During the day, I grabbed almost $300. You can take that off the table. If you're hoping for 1,000 or 2,000, it's not going to happen. Okay, scanning for another setup. We can do it all day long. We have another one here, one for day traders. There's our original 5M fractal. That was a setup, and we grabbed almost 40 points on it. Okay, and we continue. Neil found another a bottom there. And here's our original trade in a 5M fractal. Look at that, 40 points on a simple picture. On a simple picture. Now, granted, we don't have time to write a essay on everything, so things have to be short. But if you've been with us long enough, you'll see what's going on. Okay. Um, you found a 15M bottom. That's the initial post. Here's your couple new setups on a 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. You got to swing between the time frames. Okay. And 1 minute setup for day traders. Okay. And I gave another setup here. You know the rules. We have a couple growth fractals, so we're going to bounce. And as we continue here, we have a 5-minute slider similar to the Dow daily top. What's going to happen? Okay. Oh, our friend here. Remember when the market was beginning to rally here? Well, yields were going down. Right? So look what's happening here. Yields are going back up again. Uh, this kind of confirms the Dow top. We want that to continue to go up, and then the market will continue to go down. Okay, that's the growth fractal on the treasuries. And he found a update on NQ. I did a video to explain it. Okay, he 2-minute bottom. And we gave you the parameters here. There's our 5-minute trade there. Okay. That's an entry point. Neil found the 5M top update. He got that one pretty good too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, top, down. You have a slider here too. Nested, that helps. The market trend for today generally begins early morning, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Full-time trade, full-time job. Okay. Here's Neil again. And he found a 5M bottom. Did another video here. Okay. Okay, big one here. How many times have we seen this decaying fractal? Okay, it w the stock. Now we're trading, the micro, etc. But you can apply the fractals to a stock. And on a daily chart, this one went down 16% here at the bottom there, top there rather, and you have the bottom. So you short here, you put a reasonable stop, and you get 16%. Now imagine if you bought an option, in the money option on that. Uh, that's a whole different ball game. Okay. But how many times have we seen this? Look at that. All you have to do is look at the picture. And there's our growth fractal, trill, attempt to rally, then back down again. Now, the fractals appear every hour. We have a growth fractal here, and then it rallied, broke, and then we had another growth fractal. You have to swing from channel to channel, or rather from time frame to time frame. Okay, and you have to keep swinging to follow the setup on the trade. There's our stock again, 16% down. And there's another entry point there for Sunday. I explained that in a earlier video. Okay, very important. The weekly Dow has a very typical decaying fractal. How many times have we seen this? Okay. Now, it may go down for a week, maybe 2 or 3. The fractals will give you a turn. We have a high probability turn here on the Dow. That's going to affect the other markets. That's why I'm still bearish. We've been bearish, but the fractals been kind of climbing up a little until we get something really definite. And this looks pretty good to me. Okay. I did another video on how fractals work. Okay. And I want to wish you happy St. Patty's Day. Thank you, Nikki. Signing off.